Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not working. Let's get started. First, go to your Chrome shortcut on the desktop, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now, under the Shortcut tab, click on the option Open File Location. Here you'll see the Chrome application file. Right-click on it and choose Rename. Just add a small change. For example, put a dash at the end of the name, then press Enter. Now, right-click the Chrome application again, go to Send To, and select Desktop, Create Shortcut. This will create a fresh Chrome shortcut on your desktop. Close the file window and go back to your desktop. Delete the old Chrome shortcut and keep the new one we just created. Now, double-click this new shortcut to open Chrome, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.